Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Iron Bridge, Ontario, a small town located along the Trans-Canada Highway between Blind River and Thessalon. Iron Bridge is surrounded by forests, rivers, and peaceful countryside. The town got its name from an actual iron bridge that once crossed the nearby Mississauga River, built in the early 1900s to connect the growing community. Before that, the area was home to Indigenous peoples for thousands of years and later became a hub for logging and farming. Fishing, hiking, and snowmobiling are popular here, and the river is always close by for a quiet walk or a paddle. The pace of life is calm, and the scenery is pure Northern Ontario. Whether you're just passing through or staying a while, Iron Bridge offers a peaceful place to relax and enjoy the journey. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Iron Bridge, Ontario.